ṣọlọ́pàá dáadáa.
I am the son of Chief Folarogo Martins. You don't know. But I have money!
Shut up, my friend! Shut up!
Take money! What? Take more!
Olamilekon, shut up! Oh, you're right. At this time, look at the time you just come in. The one bit without you know what to tell me. When I called you, did you answer? Toba to you will come here and ask me for your dad?
Ilé ò kì í sú lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run á fún ẹ lọ́mọ mi. Because you are almost a waste. Almost.
Can you be my wife?
Emi Gongo? Of course, yes. Yes, I can be your wife. Long as towards you meet the man of me, why not?
Iṣẹ́ wa iṣẹ́ kú ni o. Kò fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ la kú kò jẹun kékeré ni. Owó kó máa jẹun kó má bàa kú náà fún wa. Ṣé bàbá tiẹ̀ ló ra mọ́tò sílẹ̀ àbí bàbá ẹ̀ ló ra táyà ẹ̀? Tó o bá fẹ́ kú dànù bí èlùbọ́ láyé ẹ̀ tí mo bá pa àṣẹ ká ṣẹ́nu lẹ́yìn o gbọ́dọ̀ yí rí ẹ̀ wò.
Igi yóò dá a lè fi dáná oyó o sọnù. Igi yóò dá a lè fi dáná oyó o sọnù. Jọ ìgbà wo lẹ fẹ́ dáná tán? Take him away.
Ma?
Oh yeah, Susie. Get into the car!
You don't suspect anybody. Ikú ọ̀gá ni kàyéfì ló jẹ́ fún mi.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ti pàṣẹ náà bí mi lọ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ti pàṣẹ.
Ìwọ la láṣẹ. A lè fi ẹni fẹ́. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti sọ?